Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another Monday Market, where we talk about last week in real estate. I'm your host, Coultrup from Remax, and this week we'll be taking a look at June 14th until June 21st, 2020. And simply put, we had another good week. We had 19 new listings, 5 properties came back to the market, we also had 9 price decreases, we also had 0 price increases, which is interesting. I don't think that's happened before on this video. We've also had 24 properties become conditionally sold, and we've had 31 properties firm up, which is just fantastic. We also had 2 properties leave the market, and we had 2 properties get canceled. So we've been having a few good weeks now consistently, and this is really what you want to see in a market. If this continues, I think we'll be in really good shape. So this week, we saw the May 2020 stats finally being released. So we're going to take a quick look into that to take a look at the whole trading area in general. So we've talked about in videos in the past that April was pretty scary for us. As a quick reminder, April had a 54% decline in sales activity. Now for May, we still saw a decline of 36.3% overall, but comparing the 2 months together, that's looking a lot better in just the span of 30 or some odd days. It's really good to see. Overall, for the whole year, we're still down 13.4%, but that's not bad considering everything that's happening. Average home prices are up 18.5% from last year, sitting at $439,382. I suspect the reasoning for that is going to be an increase in sales activity for new builds in particular throughout most of last year, especially in places such as Port Elgin. And that is always going to drive up the price of average sale price. We've said before, it's a very volatile number, a couple sales here or there, so seeing consistently new builds is going to increase that. Also, what's going to affect the numbers is the fact that we still have a massive inventory problem, and that's also going to drive up home prices. We are officially at record low numbers for inventory, being down 18.8% for May compared to last year, or a whopping 35.1% when we look at the whole year overall. The inventory issue is a really important topic that people need to be paying attention to regardless of where you live. And I don't honestly see this problem going away anytime soon unless we see some really big changes on the municipal level in the very near future. So I think this needs to be at the forefront of everybody's mind. And simply put, that has been your Monday Market. If you're a buyer who wants to know how to make their offer stand out when compared to others, as we're probably going to start seeing some competition again, or if you're a seller who's looking to make sure you price your home properly to get those multiple buyers coming in, you can always reach me at 519-386-5745, or you can email me at connor@remax-lx.ca. Thank you so much for your time, and as always, I will see you next week.